At the Supreme Court, there were a lot of folks who are very excited, and we're now just beginning to dissect the opinions themselves. And Shannon Bream so aptly pointed out that what we saw yesterday from Chief Justice Roberts, when a lot of folks said that he was making law and that this was the court legislating things, now says that it is not the Supreme Court's job to say what the law should be. I'm wondering, as you read through this from a legal perspective and you read through the decision, what's your takeaways?
Well, it's 103 pages. In a few minutes, I'm going to go off air.
And you couldn't get through that in 13 minutes.
In a few minutes, I'm going to go off air and read all of it. But I've gleaned the important points, and I appreciate the opportunity to make them. And I'm not going to question the Chief Justice's motivation, but it does sound like two different people. He basically is arguing today that marriage is regulated by the states. It's been regulated by the states since 1789, and the federal courts should have no position telling the states how to regulate something that traditionally and consistently has been regulated by them, and it should be decided by the popular branches, and the judges shouldn't even be reviewing it. Why he did what he did yesterday is between him and his heart. We will never know. What he did yesterday is reprehensible in my view, because if they can declare words ambiguous and redefine them, they can turn yes into no and no into yes. But the dissent of Justice Scalia, as ferocious as it was yesterday,
was nothing compared
was
to
a Christmas card compared to his dissent today, in which he accuses the court of being egotistical, of engaging in a judicial putsch. That's the phrase used to describe Nazi takeovers of lawful government in Germany at the end of the Weimar Republic.
Have we ever heard, or I should say read, words like this in